Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how AI can facilitate your life taking notes in OneNote. Copilot in fact can really help you summarizing pages, facilitating the way how you draft pages, generating content for you. Moreover, can even generate a task list or organize a meeting agenda for you. But enough talk. Let's start to deep dive into it. Let's go. Here I am in OneNote. I'm taking notes about this topic, solid-state batteries, a new era for electric vehicles. And here I have my description about this topic. Now, the first thing that I would like to highlight is when you click on an empty row, the Copilot icon shows up next on the left, and when you click on it, you are able to take advantage of Take Notes with Copilot. Now here on top, I would like to add a quote about electric vehicles, in this case about batteries. So what I can do here is write this thing and asking for this thing. Give me a quote about electric vehicles from the web. Let's hit the button Generate, and now Copilot will discover a quote about this topic from the web directly. So here I have one, discover the new phase of self-driving vehicles as a real-world case example. And there you go. Here I have the link even to the source where this quote come from. And there we go. Now this is a pretty nice and useful use case. Let's click on Keep It. And now I have on top my quote about this topic. Other use case that you can use is, let's create this new page. I have now this new page created, Meetings Project X. I can now click again on the Copilot, and then I'm going to press Inspire Me. So here I have this option and create a to-do list of time-sensitive tasks I should complete this week. So this could be a potential suggestion, and let's take advantage of it. And voila, here I have the suggestion. Review and finalize the Project X proposal by Wednesday, prepare the presentation for the team meeting on Thursday, and here I have my bullet list with to do, things that I have to do to accomplish what I have to. So let's go again at the very bottom of this bullet list, and let's create another use case. Better, I want to start from on top. I want to create an agenda. So let's go on Take Notes, and again here, if I press on Inspire, I have another use case. Draft an email to the team about the upcoming meeting, and then let's add the name here. Project X. Generate. So here I can prepare my meetings series, for example, about a specific project or topic, just in one page in OneNote. And this is applied to every use case if you want, of course. Dear team, I hope this email finds you well. I would like to remind you about our upcoming meeting, and here you have the agenda, just prepared for you with a bullet list of things that you have to do to stay on top of this. An additional use case is always again on Take Notes with Copilot. Please prepare the agenda for next meeting about Project X. Let's click again on Generate, and now I'm generating content that could be used in several tools like Outlook or Teams or Planner. And there we go, I have the agenda. Review of the current progress and milestones, discussion on the challenges faced on potential solutions, planning the next steps. So this is very, very cool. And then question and answer for the session. So this is very cool. You can reuse in a couple of seconds content, useful content that could take to the next level the way how you make meeting, you write email, you write a task list. Moreover, you can do more. Let's go to the previous page that I created about electric vehicles. So here there is something that I would like to improve. In this paragraph, for example, I can select this, open Copilot again here, and I can then press rewrite this. So Copilot will change wording and will rephrase this paragraph for me. So, and on top you get this word rewrite. So then you can click on keep it, and now I have this new paragraph completely rebranded, let's say, by Copilot. So another and useful functionality is summarize the page. For example, when you have a very long page, or if you are writing a new book, this could be very helpful, can summarize and wrap up the page that you have. There we go, I have my summary on top about this content. Now let's say that you are not completely satisfied about the full page, about the complete page. So to rewrite the page, go always on an empty row and click on the icon Copilot, and what you can do here, rewrite completely this page. Of course, you have always the ability to review what is the suggestion coming by Copilot, and then you can adapt and change the things that you want. So here I have the completely page rewritten. So now I can reverse back by clicking on the clean, and now let's click again on Copilot. Here I can even add a task list, for example. So let's extract from this content a to-do list. And here I have my beautiful task list coming from the full page that I written. So I have here a suggestion: promote sustainability and long-term investments in public space, reimagine city streets for electric and self-driving cars, and track advanced in single-cell capacity of solid-state batteries. So this is very, very cool. So from a page that you have, you can then wrap up a task list so you can follow up and generate more content or generate action items. Now, I am a student and I want to get ready for my next test about bones. So here I can start drafting the content using Copilot. So let's write something here like, could you generate content about human bones? I need to get ready for my next test. So let's hit the button generate, but this is applied to any other context, business as well, if there is something that you are not familiar with. For example, agile approach, waterfall or project management, you can start to create content for you, and in this way you can get ready for your next meeting or challenge. In this case, I drafted this content starting with a simple question. I have now the content that could be useful for me to get ready for my next challenge. We have seen how you can empower OneNote using Copilot. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and like. Add a comment down below and write OneNote or Copilot according to the next video that you would like to see in the future. I hope to see you next time.